Hey guys, so today I am sharing this process video for this page I made a couple weeks ago using Kelly Perky's April main project kit. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm doing a 9x12 page. I think this is my first page from my 2018 album from last January. What happened on these days? This is like over a year and a half ago, so clearly I'm very caught up on all of my documenting. I think in that first picture we had just gone bridesmaid dress shopping for the wedding. We're going apartment hunting and stuff. Oh my goodness, crazy. Last year was insane. So busy. As you remember, I kind of fell off the face of the planet in terms of scrapbooking and everything creative. So crazy. So I'm using the stamp set. I think I had all these photos printed from Persnickety Prints, so they're like the really nice matte finish. So I'm using this stamp set. This kit is very like neighborhood related, like hometown related. So I'm using that Out Exploring the Neighborhood stamp. I just lines it up against like the fencing on that picture. I like doing that just because it kind of incorporates the picture into the embellishment and everything like that, and just kind of ties everything together. And I'm using the archival black ink because my StazOn ink is dead from like 5 years ago, and I never bought a new one. So yeah. So I've chosen all my cards for this page. I really love the color scheme of this month's kit. Lots of really nice blues. The colors are kind of more muted. Got some grays, some I think like light pinks and stuff like that. So it's a good color palette. And I'm just using this card to do some journaling. I liked this card because it was like I don't know. It reminded me of like boxes where it's like hold this way or whatever, and it was like from our trip to IKEA. So I thought that was kind of appropriate. And then I'm using these alphabet stickers that also came in the kit. They're just like a tan brownish color, which I thought also worked with like the warmer tones of the photos from this layout. So clearly I'm getting all of my journaling done first, doing some more journaling on that hi, hello, howdy card from when we went bridesmaid dress shopping, as I said earlier. I cannot believe that I planned my wedding over a year ago. It's crazy. I kind of miss it. Kind of miss planning my wedding. Just things that you never thought you'd ever have to think about. All just constant wedding planning things. Again, more journaling. Got it all out of the way so I could go on and do some embellishing afterwards. One thing I really love about the Kelly Perky kits, which I'm sure I've mentioned in previous videos, is that it comes with all these labels, like different size labels with coordinating colors for the kits, which I feel like you can never have too many labels on hand. They're great for journaling, great for adding date stamps, as I'm doing here, and just really, really convenient, and I love them. So I just did a little bit more, I did a stamping of the date. I used like a brownish one, I think to match the alphas that I used earlier. And then I'm just adding some more date stamps as well, because you can never go wrong with more date stamps. Now I'm just doing some more stamping on those labels. I love this stamp set because there are a lot that you can just use for your everyday scrapbooking, not necessarily like for events or special occasions, stuff like that. These are good for just your regular, just hanging out at home, documentation, stuff like that. And I really love that script font that is used in some of the stamps, because I just think it's really cute and delicate. I like it. Again, just using some labels and throwing that on one of the photos. What else am I doing? It's like getting toward the end, I think. Oh yeah, I love those little stars and hearts that also come with the stamp set. They're great to just add little embellishments throughout the page. And now I'm just finishing everything up, adding some final embellishments. I'm going to do some stapling and all of that. And yeah, I really like this page. I think it was really simple, really focused on the stories and the stories of the layout and everything like that. The cards weren't too overpowering, and I think it ties together really well, especially with the colors. I'm just using some enamel hearts from Amy Tangerine. I think that's it actually. It's a pretty simple page and I really like it. And then I think the last embellishment is that wood chip plus sign. And yeah, so the detail shots are coming up in just a second. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I used, said in the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.